Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing Kehlani's It Was Good Until It Wasn't signed CD. I came ready. I have my merch. It was good until it wasn't. This shirt is super cute. Hold up, let me show you guys. This is the shirt. I think it was like 30 bucks. It did kind of take a little while to like come in. But yeah, this is the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. I did also order the clear vinyl, which was exclusive to Urban Outfitters, I guess, supposedly. And I just got the email recently that my order got canceled because it was out of stock. So I was really upset, but I ordered the blue vinyl off her website. I will leave it linked down below if you guys would like to check that out. Hopefully by the time you guys watch this, it's still in stock. I'm really excited to get into this, so let's just jump right in. So I actually didn't get this off her official website. I ended up getting this off of Mercari, which is an app where you can buy and sell stuff. Unfortunately, I wasn't collecting music yet when this came out. Like, even aside from that, I had no idea that she was selling the signed CDs, the cassettes, or the vinyl. So I really just had no idea until like a few months ago. Thankfully, someone was selling this and it was still for a really good price, so I got it. Let's see. Hold up. Okay, so it has the signed card here. Oh, that's so cool. Here is the back side. Then you open it and it is the song credits per usual. And then here is the CD that I'm going to unbox right now. I actually do already have a copy of the album. This one I got off of Barnes & Noble though, and this one I bought specifically so I could play it on my CD player. This one I'm going to frame just right up on the wall, so that is the reason why I have two copies. But I'm really curious though to see if like the inside booklet has anything different or anything special. I am taking way too long to open this. So here is the CD itself. Here is the back cover. And then inside, oh, it's different. Here is the inside. It's a white CD, and then it has basically, wait, is it like the same booklet? Yeah, same booklet inside. But hold up, let me show you guys the difference. So this is the one that she had on her website. This is the signed version, and then this one, if you guys can tell the difference, like the little side thingy, this one is blue and then this one is white. So this one again I got off of Barnes & Noble, and look at the difference. I kind of like the CD itself better. Here is a comparison of both versions of the CDs. Top one is the one that came signed from her website. This one is from Barnes & Noble. Booklets are slightly different. The one from Barnes & Noble, it has more pages, but it is just the same thing, more credits. The one that came with the signed copy is still really cute. I love the simplicity of both of them actually. I'm actually really pleased with having both of these. For some reason I thought they were gonna be like the same thing, but I really like the fact that you get something different with the signed version compared to the ones that like Barnes & Noble or like Target, Walmart might sell. I'm not saying that to sell it there because I'm not sure. Just the fact that this one is different compared to like others that you might or might not get in the future, I really like that. But yeah, that was just a short little video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like these type of videos, please give this a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you got yours, how that shipping thing is going for all of you, if you guys have gotten your signed copies of like vinyls or cassettes yet. But yeah, I'm just really excited to have this, and I already have Sweet Sexy Savage signed up there, so they're gonna look really good together. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.